Welcome to the Specialised Security Products video showing the key features and benefits of our DG35 keypad. The DG35 is a fully waterproof digital keypad that is vandal resistant and can be operated at either 12 or 24 volts on AC or DC. This makes it ideal for either external or internal applications, and in particular for linking to gate and door entry equipment because it works off either AC or DC. As demonstrated here, a 4-digit code is required to operate the keypad and obtain access. As you can see, the middle LED changes to green to confirm access has been permitted via Relay 1. There is an additional relay which can be used to operate ancillary equipment such as gates or lighting. The DG35 has a latching or non-latching mode that can be used in conjunction with either relay. As shown here, the green light is on, meaning the keypad has been activated. A latching code can be entered on the second relay, which can be used to hold doors open for deliveries or at certain periods of the day. The red light on the keypad indicates that relay 2 has been latched. This is then removed when the code is re-entered manually. As you can see, the DG35 is illuminated and the numbers sound when pressed. It can store up to 160 user codes and is straightforward to program. If you require any further information on the DG35 keypad, you can log on to our website specialised-security.co.uk, or please do not hesitate to contact one of the members of our friendly sales team.